Today we have a truly special guest joining us, Sakshi Chaudhary. She is a versatile author, scholar, and aspiring philanthropist dedicated to storytelling that inspires change. Currently pursuing her PhD, she blends creativity with deep insight, crafting narratives that explore spirituality, human emotions, and resilience. Hello, Sakshi.
Hi.
Congratulations on the release of your book,
Thank
Savor
you.
the Ordinary. And our viewers would like to know more about your writing journey and insight into this book. So, the book promotes self awareness and introspection. What role does self awareness play in the journey towards fulfillment and authenticity?
Okay, so I believe that self awareness plays a very important role in being authentic and being yourself. If you're not self aware, I believe that you cannot reach anywhere in life. Be it writing, be it anywhere in your career. अगर आप self aware नहीं हैं, तो you cannot really reach anywhere, right? And self awareness brings you to a lot of spirituality and consciousness within yourself. I believe that world is within yourself than outside. And I was always a person who doesn't really communicate a lot and is not a very good, yapper or a speaker. I don't have a lot of friends, so I believe that writing is my way of life. It's my way of living. So when I'm not able to communicate or tell people how I feel, I write it down.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So, what was the most challenging part of writing your book? Was there a particular theme or chapter that required extra reflection on you?
Okay, so I think one of the most challenging part of writing the book was putting out your vulnerability, putting out the lessons that I have actually learned in life and curating a story out of it with which every person, every versatile of life, हर एक एज का इंसान उससे कनेक्ट कर सके, उतना वर्सेटाइल किसी चैप्टर को बनाना, आई थिंक दैट वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग पार्ट.
Okay. So, your writing blends creativity and intellect with a deep sensitivity to humor.
Yeah.
How has your academic journey, especially your work on your PhD, influenced your writing style?
Okay, so I believe that being a part of being an academic person and being a PhD scholar has really helped me out in curating stories, writing more, because PhD is all about researching, writing and stuff. And even in my book I have mentioned many researches. For example, like if I am not in support of hookup culture, if I am not in support of people having many relationships, if I am not in support of people not being authentic. So I have proven researches that I've written in the end of every chapter, which tells that why should we not do certain things, how harmful are they for not just our mental health but our physical health. I have blended it with consciousness, spirituality and a journey to know yourself more and better.
The book emphasizes the power of perspective. How can a shift in perspective transform our experience of everyday challenges?
Okay, so I think literature has a huge shift on everyone's mind, every personality, every person. Everyone around me loves to read. So I believe that if you're reading and if you come across something that can change your perspective, right? So if I read a research or if I read something and I know that I have been going in a certain way about a certain thought process or on something on moral grounds as well, right? And I find it अगर मुझे किसी और का पर्सपेक्टिव ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है पढ़ के, अगर मुझे लगता है कि नहीं, मे बी मैं अपने पर्सपेक्टिव को और ब्रॉडर कर सकती हूँ सामने वाले की व्यू पॉइंट से, सो आई वुड रादर डू दैट. That's how I think that literature and the book that I've written changes perspective.
So one key theme in the book is embracing vulnerability.
Yeah.
So how do you think vulnerability leads to personal growth, and how has this manifested in your own life?
Okay, so I think being vulnerable is very difficult nowadays because you just can't show yourself to everyone who you actually are, but it does take you places. Like you are able to connect to the people who are as vulnerable as you are. आपको वैसे ही perspective of life के लोग मिलते हैं, वैसे ही people से you get along. And I believe that everyone is not vulnerable, right? I am. So I give to the universe what I want to get. I try to give out before I receive it so that I get surrounded with the kind of people that I want to be a part of my future. So that is how I think being vulnerable helps me out, and which is why I have written about it.
So Savor the Ordinary talks about finding beauty and strength in life's smallest victories. So can you share a personal experience where you found immense value in what seemed ordinary?
Okay, so immense value in what seem ordinary. Okay, so three things I'll be talking about. First thing is honesty. I think we all do not have a lot of people around us who are very honest about who they actually are, right? Or honest about anything, be it something that they're pursuing in their career, be it something that they're talking about. People are not who they speak. सो आई बिलीव दैट ऑनेस्टी ने बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले किया है और मैंने ऑनेस्टी बीइंग ऑर्डिनरी राइट सिंपल रहना इस चीज़ ने भी बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले किया है और बहुत हेल्प किया मुझे बुक लिखने के लिए बिकॉज इट इज़ अबाउट सिंप्लिसिटी एंड बीइंग अ स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेड वुमेन cherishing womanhood, that is also something that I've written about very deeply, and that was also a huge driver for me to get this book finished and put out the entire story and put it out there. And yes, loyalty, that is also something that I do not see a lot these days, so I genuinely wanted to write a lot about it and I have written in this book.
These are the things
Key drivers.
आज के टाइम में
हाँ, तो इस बारे में मैंने लिखा है.
Your deep commitment to both literature and social change suggests a unique blend of heart and mind. So how do you see these two aspects of yourself influencing one another?
Okay, can you just repeat the question?
Yeah, sure. Your deep commitment to both literature and social change suggests a unique blend of heart and mind.
Right.
So how do you see these two aspects of yourself influencing one another?
Okay, so I think literature and social change have always been they're interdisciplinary. They do go hand in hand in most of the places because we read and that is how we're able to change ourselves. I mean, that is how I change myself. If I read about something and I think that this societal norm can be broken by this perspective that I've just read, or this thought process, or something that I really like on the moral or एथनिक ग्राउंड, ठीक है, तो आई थिंक कि उससे मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव तो काफ़ी हद तक चेंज होता है, या मैं एक सोसाइटी में चेंज ला सकती हूँ लिख के, जो चीज़ें मैं रोज़ नहीं देखती हूँ अपने आसपास, जो चीज़ें ऑर्डिनरी होती हैं, बहुत वैल्यूबल होती है, बट मैं नहीं देखती, मतलब यूजुअली देखने को नहीं मिलता. तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ हाउ these two things go hand in hand, and I think literature can bring a lot of societal change.
Okay. So Savor the Ordinary explores the journey of personal growth. How do you hope readers of your book will use its lesson to navigate their own paths, especially in times of uncertainty or hardship?
Okay, so I think that my book will really help people out who think that they are the only one stuck in that particular place. उनको लगता है कि नहीं, सिर्फ हम ही है जिनको ऐसे लोग नहीं मिल रहे, या सिर्फ हम ही है जो ये challenges लाइफ में फेस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता. Everyone is in the same boat. Be it someone who is at their 60s, be someone who was at 20. मतलब मैंने इस चीज़ को, अपने लेसन्स को, अपनी स्टोरी को इतना वर्सटाइल बनाया कि एक 60 साल की बंदा भी उस चीज़ से कनेक्ट कर सके और एक 20 साल का इंसान भी उस चीज़ से कनेक्ट कर सके. बिकॉज ऑल्सो लाइक मेंशनिंग अबाउट जेंडर गैप, that I think that also plays a very huge role why I think any age person can read my book and explore about it, read about it, क्योंकि जेंडर गैप भी एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है जो हम अपने पेरेंट्स में, अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स में देखते हैं, और वो नहीं होनी चाहिए. कैसे उसके थ्रू भी नेविगेट करना है, मैंने उसके बारे में भी लिखा है. तो हाँ, आई थिंक any age person can read my book and navigate their way through life and know that they're not the only person stuck in that, and they can feel safe, happy, secure. They will get to know कि कितनी छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में खुशी है जो हम रियलाइज़ नहीं करते, लेकिन फाइनली खुशी उसमें है, चाहे कितने भी मटेरियलिस्टिक चीज़ें आप एंड में इकट्ठा कर लो.
So thank you so much for sharing your insights with us today, and it was really truly a pleasure to have you here. Your journey and your book are both inspiring, and I am sure our audience has gained valuable takeaways. And also, we also appreciate you joining us at the book fair and giving us your precious time. Thank you so much.
Thank you.